one way?
Yeah, I just saw it in this.
It's not very safe.
It's fine, though.
It is safe. My legs are right.
I know, mine are. Evie, hold on, love. Are you waving?
I'll do it. I'll do it even more.
Go on then, you do Evie News.
I'm going to do it. We're on a boat. On a George.
I want to stay up here.
Even me. And we just see the sky.
Dad, you just
See
salted
the
the sea.
sky. And I'm
What? How does the
scared.
sea turn into
So-
salt and stuff?
I don't know, love.
Goodbye.
Did Mum say whatever happens, save them?
Evie, no, Evie. Don't swing, love, he's not swinging.
Dad, did Mum say whatever happens, save them?
Oh, look over there.
What about me?
On the beach over there.
That's a nice spot. Where is our beach?
We'll see it on the way back round. This is weird. Look at this island, Eve.
I've never been this high.
Daddy, are you okay?
No,
Yeah.
I have been in an airplane, but I've never been this high.
Look at those people on the beach over there. Look at that hotel on the side. Nice hotel, that.
Dad, Mum's just looking at us. I just loved setting up, did you? We just like, but I was scared of getting up and going
I
behind.
just didn't know what I was doing.
I'm scared of this thing.
What?
I'm too far away. I'm so scared now.
You,
I'm glad we're all together. I thought you weren't going to be together.
I thought you
Dad,
guys were going to be over there. Like,
we'll go up in here. We'll fall down.
Yeah, it's fine, love.
I thought you was going to be like up there.
I know.
Can I go woo?
Yeah? Eve, look at that little boat down there.
Is that a boat?
Oh, where are we going?
Woohoo!
Wave at the people on these boats. Look at that big boat there. Coming in there on the right hand side over there. Over there, right over there. Have you seen any turtles, Eve? Yeah.
Some daddy and daughter time.
Do you? Do you not think there are any around here?
Just Dad, whatever.
Evie, just hold on to them, love.
Dad, whatever you do, just don't look down.
Alright.
It's sharp. I can't wait for Adam's reaction.
I know, wish Finley had stopped. Look. Oh, can you feel the wind?
Woo!
Just hold on tight. You okay?
The sea's all shiny. You know, it looks like it's green.
I know. Well, some of the sea is green, depends what's underneath it.
It's really pretty, isn't it?
I know. it's lovely.
Oh, I can see some seaweed.
Do
Look.
you?
Dad, seaweed!
Seaweed, see seaweed everywhere.
Oh, Dad, look at all the mountains.
I know.
Looks like it's snowing. Is
It's
that
haze,
the
it's the sun.
clouds? I've always
No, it's
wondered.
the sun, it's the heat, I think.
Just the sand and the sea. Actually, just the sea. I can't see myself. I'm really confused.
Hold on
He
very
said
tight.
sit like a chair.
Did he?
He said
I'll
that.
keep your legs to it. Yes, I don't.
Did you feel nice and cool?
Oh, it's nice and cool, yeah?
It's not boiling either.
Oh.
All I'm doing.
And you are very high
Am I
up.
supposed to go
Dad,
down?
I'm going to get shot down there.
Just hold on to
Dad, he's shot down there.
it. Is it?
Shall I hold down here?
Wherever you feel comfortable. Is it not?
Just the sand and the sea. Oh yeah. Oh, I've still got sand on me. I can't. We've gone higher.
I know. Someone who doesn't like heights and can't swim. You're learning to swim, aren't you, Eve?
I'm not scared of anything. I get scared when I'm doing something, but when I'm like doing it. Dad, I can see Mum just staring at us.
Yeah. Oh no.
Hi, Mum.
No, it's a boy. It tells you how deep the water is, Eve. Oh,
Oh, we're rocking. Look at it. Yeah, but it was different with Lily and.
is that the holiday village, do you think?
Well,
That, which one do you? That
No.
thing with all the roofs on it.
I think that might be family life.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, look at that boat. Like a canoe.
what? We're gonna get suntan feet.
Oh yeah. Woo!
You enjoying your swimming lessons, Eve?
My legs are aching.
I know, mine are as well.
It's not comfy up here, is it?
Daddy, is that ball?
That's a boat, yeah?
Just like.
Party boat.
I think we're going.
Oh, Dad, whatever you do, don't close your eyes.
I don't want it.
I wouldn't go there.
You're gonna have a little
Why are we
sleep.
so high? You're so high.
Yeah.
Dad, did you go to sleep?
Wave!
I did.
Did you think Evie was gonna cry?
No.
I did.
Daddy, is this it? Dad, it's counting your ball.
I know.
Dad, do you know when I looked at this, I was like, how are you supposed? I thought we were gonna sit.
I thought we was up here.
Dad, why have you got? Is that when you dropped that bit on your toe?
No, I've got one both.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's them new shoes Mum's bought me. My toe, they're not small, but my toes at the end of them. And they've got both on the same one.
I don't want to go there.
Where?
Back to beach or boat.
We've got our photographs tonight as well.
Oh, we've got tan feet for him.
Hey, yo! Can you take a picture of me, Dad?
It is, it's a video, Eve. I'll show you afterwards. Say cheese.
Cheese. Oh, it's
Cheesy feet. Oh, we're lowering down a bit.
I don't want to go down. We're not lowering
No,
down.
we're going to turn around. We're going to go across the beach. We saw them yesterday, didn't
Oh
we?
yeah, we are lowering down. Yeah, I can see all the salt in the sea.
I hope this bit, Dad.
Oh dear.
Oh, loads of seaweed. Oh, Dad, look at all that seaweed. Oh, we're rocketing. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, I'm doing my stupid ride, boys. Whoa!
Ah!
Ah!
Do the jelly man.
Don't do the jelly man, thank you.
Do the jelly.
Oh, what's
What's
that
that red
pink thing
thing?
down there?
Is it piece of cake? No.
Ugh, don't know. Oh, he's going to drop us in the water.
Hi! They're waving, wave!
Wave!
You okay?
Is Finley waving or is he still crying?
Someone's waving. Hi!
I'm not letting go for dear life, I'll tell you that for nothing.
Oh, I hope he doesn't dip us in the water.
You know,
Why
I
are we
do.
going? We're going lower, aren't we?
Yeah. Might be reeling us in. Oh, I'm doing my ride, boys. Oh. Oh, wave at the people. Mummy's going to be so happy by the time we get in.
Oh!